In example 2, we want to find the percentage of women meeting the Army's height requirement. First, we will need to find the probability and then convert that probability to a percentage. Let's start with a sketch of the given information. The mean is 63.6 inches. The Army's requirements for women's height would be 58 inches to 80 inches. So 58 would be to the left, 80 would be to the right, and we want what's between there. There's our sketch. If we want to use table A2, we need to convert both 58 and 80 to z-scores. So our first z-score, the 58 minus the mean, which is 63.6, divided by the standard deviation, which is 2.5. Working that out, you should get a z-score of negative 2.24. Finding the other z-score, we have 80 minus the mean of 63.6 divided by the standard deviation of 2.5, and that gives us a z-score of 6.56. Now we need to find the corresponding probabilities or areas in table A-2 and then subtract those probabilities. So the first z-score, negative 2.24, that should give us an area to the left of 0.0125. And when we look up the second z-score, that should give us an area of 0.9999. So we need to subtract these areas. And that should give you 0.9874. So that's the probability that the women's heights will be between 58 inches and 80 inches. But they asked us to find the percentage. So now we need to move the decimal point 2 places to the right and add the percent sign. That will give us 98.74%. If we want to use our calculator, we need to enter normal CDF. The left boundary is 58. The right boundary is 80. The mean is 63.6, and the standard deviation is 2.5. That should give you 0.9875, and if we change that to a percentage, we would have 98.75%. So we got a slightly different answer depending on our method. However, either way, we can see that the Army is not denying many women the opportunity to join.